Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to exchange coins to points in Poppo Live and Cashout. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up our Poppo Live app and make sure to sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we need to click onto our account profile in the bottom right hand corner of the page. Then from here, go ahead and click onto the points, not coins. And from here on this page, as you can see at the bottom, it will say exchange points for coins. So go ahead and click onto that. And now we've got the exchange quantity. So we can exchange, if you got enough coins, so you need 90,000 to exchange for 100,000 points. Or if you got 450,000 coins, we can exchange that for 500,000 points. Then from there, we need to enter the verification code, and that's to the right. We can regenerate it if you want. And then go ahead and click on exchange coins. Once converted, coins cannot be changed back. Points are for cashing out, so keep that in mind. Then from there, choose your payment method. So Poppo Live offers several different payout options depending on where you live. So this can be either PayPal, bank transfer, Gcash, Payoneer, local e-wallets, and this obviously varies by country.